Nice to see you again. Let's start doodling. Today we're going to draw a cute alien. Let's doodle! Okay, we're going to start right about here on the page, and we're going to start with the top of the cute alien's head first. And we're going to do a curved line that goes across like that and stop right about there. And now we're going to leave a little space here, and we're going to draw the rest of the head all the way around, and we're going to stop before we connect it, because we want to leave room for the antennae, the antennas of the alien, or the alien's ears. So here we go. This is a long line, so you can pause if you need more time. All the way around. It's like a big oval shape for the head. All the way around. And then we're going to stop like right about there. And now let's draw the antenna. So we'll do one on this side and one on that side where we left the spaces. So starting right about here, we're going to do a curved line up like that, and then another curved line up like that. And on the end, let's draw a circle. So we're going to draw a circle all the way around that connects to the end of the antenna. And let's do the same on this side. So where we left that opening, we're going to do a curved line up like that, and a curved line up like that. And then on the end, let's draw that circle. So we'll go all the way around like that. Okay, now let's draw the body down here, and we'll do like we'll put him in a suit. So we'll do like a ring where the suit connects to the head comes out, like a collar. We're going to do that as a big curved line that comes down and around like this. Okay, now let's have the alien waving at us. So we'll put one arm coming up off the body here. So we'll do a curved line that comes off the collar right about here like this. And then we'll do the hand. We'll do 4 fingers, well, a thumb and 3 fingers. We'll do a thumb here, like that, a little curved line, and then 3 curved lines that come off the thumb here. 1, 2, 3. And now let's finish the arm and bring it down to about here. So where that finger line ended, we'll bring it down to there like that. And let's close it off and make him have a suit here. We'll do a line like that. Okay, now let's do the side of the body here. So starting right about here, we're going to do a curved line down and stop right about there. Like that. And now let's do the foot up to the leg here. So it's a C-shaped line that goes around and then curves back up and straightens out like that. And now let's do the belly. Ready? So here we go. The belly line is going to go across like this. And then we're going to do a straight line down from that belly line and then curve it back around for the other foot and other leg. So down, and curve it. Like that. And now we'll draw the other side of the body up from here. And it's going to come all the way up in like that. Maybe a little longer. And now let's start back up here where the this side of the collar and draw the other arm and hand. So a curved line down like this. And then we'll draw the fingers with curved lines like that. And let's close it off with a line like the other side. Like that. Okay, now let's draw the alien's eyes and mouth right here. So right in the middle, let's do it, give him a smile. So just a curved line up like that. And we'll do little cheek lines on the sides to make them extra cute. And let's do an eye on this side and an eye on the other side. So starting here, we'll do a kind of a circle, but with a slight oval shape to it. And let's do the same on this side. And now inside that circle, let's do a smaller circle for the highlight of the eye. Like that. And we'll do the same on this side. And let's do another smaller circle. We'll give it 2 highlights. So one like that sort of touches the other circle like that on both sides. And now let's color it in black. Okay, let's give a little eyebrows. So we'll do one above the eye here and one over on that side. And now it would be cool to put like a planet or a logo on the front of his spacesuit. So let's do, maybe we'll do planet Saturn. So here we're gonna do a half circle shape here and around. And then we're going to do a line across it to close it off, but have it overlap and hang out the side like that. And then we're going to do a ring around it like this, because Saturn has a ring. And let's finish the circle down the bottom of the circle here for the planet. I love how this drawing is coming together. Let's color it in. So grab your markers, colored pencils or crayons, and let's do it. I'm gonna make my alien a green alien, but you can make your alien any color you want. Color his hands in, green. Let's make his spacesuit blue. Be sure to color around Saturn. Let's do a darker blue for the collar. And we'll make Saturn yellow with an orange ring. Don't forget to sign your doodle. Wow! Keep drawing and have fun. Remember, there are no mistakes, only doodles. Bye! Ask your parents to like and subscribe for a new doodle every day.